So, tunghayan naman natin yung latest post ni Miss Bea Alonso tungkol dun sa hiwalayan nila ni Dominic Roque na may gusto lang siyang linawin. Ito, basahin natin. After much thought, consideration, and care, we have mutually decided to amicably end our engagement. It was not an easy decision. We wanted to have more time to carefully deliberate and pray about it. But there had been many speculation, questions, and insults. Unfortunately, some even confirmed our breakup without our consent, and some created ridiculous stories that had no basis and were utterly false. So we felt the need to share this announcement with great sadness for our peace of mind and our families. So parang hindi naman niya kino-confirm. So ito pa, may kasunod pa. Please understand that this is an extremely painful yet united decisions, and we sincerely request for everyone to kindly spare us for more cruel and very hurtful words thrown on social media. We kindly request to give us the privacy we need as we navigate our future lives with respect, kindness, compassion, and dignity. Thank you for your understanding and support. So, paano ang pagkakaintindi ko rito, mga characters, na hindi nila confirm ang breakup nila, kundi yung engagement lang nila. Kasi nga, ang dami-dami nga namang masasakit na salita na itinatapon lalo na kay Dominic Roque na medyo nagkesyo, binigyan daw ng gasolinahan ng isang politiko o ng isang bading, kung ano-ano na negative na bato kay Dominic Roque. So kaya nagsalita na rin siguro si Bea na ang pagkakaintindi ko, nag-end lang yung parang kinancel o pinostpone nila yung engagement nila. Parang ganun lang So, kung ano man yung mga masasabi nyo rito, please So, mga characters, kung kayo ang tatanungin, ano sa palagay nyo? Anong ibig sabihin na ni Bea Alonso na sa kanyang post na ganyan? Please comment down below para alam natin kung ano yung ating mga nasa utak natin. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you!